14,000 euros for a house in Calabria. Yeah, no joke. 56 square meter, 2 rooms, and this hidden gem courtyard. A real project with massive potential for Italy fans. The house is in Sbarre, just 1.4 kilometers from the sandy beach. Only 3 kilometers to the airport. Ryanair flies right there. Supermarkets, all within walking distance. Looks a bit wild at first, like a total ruin. Unmanageable? Don't worry. We're gonna tackle this step by step together. No fake. The house is actually for sale on Idealista. With my handyman experience and AI tools, today, I'll show you the true potential. Watch this until the end. This courtyard, an absolute hidden gem. I'm getting major Bali vibes here, but we're keeping it authentic, preserving that Calabrian style, a mix of exotic and tradition. Keep in mind, on top of those 14,000 euros, you should budget about 20% for notary fees and taxes in Italy. That way, you have the real final price on paper. No hidden surprises. You see that? Just imagine. Evenings with pizza and wine in your own oasis and the sea, only 1.4 kilometers away. This is pure Dolce Vita. The bathroom. Even I was shocked at first. But don't panic. First, gut everything. Then seal the roof with bitumen sheets. You can easily do it yourself. 20 euros for a 5 square meter roll, and the house is finally dry. If you really put in the work, you'll have the gutting and the roof done in 2 weeks. That's a very manageable time frame for a project like this. Looks a bit wild at first, like a total ruin. Unmanageable? Don't worry. We're gonna tackle this step by step together. We've got this. Quick pro tip, swap the windows for triple glazing. Save a ton on C costs in the long run. Since the house doesn't have many windows, the costs stay low. An investment that pays for itself immediately. For the windows and the roof, you usually just need a simple notification to the local council. No complicated building permit required. That saves a lot of time and nerves. The kitchen, the heart of the home. Here you can see exactly why the roof needs fixing. Lay down some bitumen sheets on your roof. At only 56 square meters, it's not a huge expense, but the impact is massive. Everything stays dry. Would you guys tackle this house the same way? Or what's your style? Let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely use the best ideas in my upcoming videos. Rising damp on the exterior wall? A total classic. The fix is simple. The patio needs a slope toward the street. That way the water drains off and the masonry stays dry. The best part here, you don't need scaffolding. Roof and walls, all doable with DIY. With a bit of elbow grease and a 10,000 euro max budget, this becomes a gem by the sea. Follow me for more deals like this. This house in Sbarre is a prime example of an energy-efficient renovation on a budget. With strategic planning, you're building a real asset for the future.